Hi and welcome to yet another edition of Business Talk. I am Sameer Surve, the director of Business Plus. We have a leadership program where we help you to transform yourself in the kind of person you want to be. And then we have an entrepreneurship program where we help business owners having businesses ranging from 50 lakhs plus to 100 crores plus per annum. And we help their businesses go to the next level. In today's edition of Business Talk, we are going to talk about something which is common sense. But as we all know, common sense is something which is not very common. Well, the topic is SOPs, or what we call as standard operating practices. SOPs is a set of procedures laid down by an organization on the basis of its gathered wisdom, which is supposed to be followed by each and every team member to create consistent results with precision. So our SOP is really important. To prove my point, here's a very interesting story which has come from a famous book called The Checklist Manifesto by Dr. Atul Gawande. The story is from the Johns Hopkins Hospital in the US, where there was this critical care specialist doctor called Dr. Peter Provost. He came out and laid out some simple procedures meant to be followed by all the doctors, helping the patients to avoid infections while putting the central line. Well, the procedures were very simple. All the doctors had to do was wash their hands, clean the patient's skin with an antiseptic, put on a sterile drape on the patient before they started operating, cover themselves with sterile helmets, masks, gloves and a gown, and finally clean the infection site and put the dressing on it when the line was put in. Well, this was very simple. And don't you think the doctors knew this? They had been doing it for years together. They had mastered it, they knew it, they did it. Then why was the need of such an SOP? Well, it was found out that in spite of the doctors knowing it, and suppose they are doing it for so many years, almost 1/3 times they missed out one of these 5 things. So now the doctors were made to do it forcibly, sometimes under monitoring. When they did it for 10 days, it was found out that the infection rate dropped down from 11% to absolutely 0%. Well, the doctors were still not for it and they were not convinced. So now the nurses were appointed to be supervising the doctors and they were forced to do it. When the monitoring was done for over 15 months, what were the results? Well, after 15 months, it was found out that they could avoid 43 infections. They were able to avoid 8 deaths. And most importantly, they saved over $2,000 million in cost. So that's how SOPs are important. My dear friends, sometimes seemingly small changes in our working systems can have a huge impact on our productivity. So do you have SOPs for your business? If not, start writing and get down to business now.